Hi guys, how to create the magic glow photo effect in Photoshop. First, make sure you have a black background. Go to File, Place Embedded. Insert your image and press OK. Go to Select Subject. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy. Turn off the main image layer, Eye off. Select the copied layer. Press Ctrl+J twice to create 2 more copies. Turn off Copy Layer 2. Select Layer 1 copy. Go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 50. Press OK. Turn on Layer Copy 2. Select Layer 1 copy and set the blending mode to screen. Select Layer 1 copy. Set opacity around 30%. Go to Filter Blur. Motion Blur. Set. Angle 30. Distance 800. Press OK. Go to Layer, New Adjustment, Layer Levels. Press OK. Adjust the levels. Left 14. Middle 0.88. Right 204. Press OK. Again, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer. Brightness, Contrast. Set. Brightness 10. Contrast 14. Press OK. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Gradient Map. Open the gradient editor. Create a gradient width. First color, black. Middle color, blue-violet. Last color, white. Press OK. Open the levels inside. Adjust them slightly until the glow looks balanced and natural. And that's it. This is how you can create a magic glow photo effect in Photoshop.